So I have very thick curly hair. It gets very frizzy, I color treat it, and I'm also in the sun a lot. So I like to make sure that I am treating my hair 1 to 2 times a week with OLAPLEX #3 to rebuild the bonds in my hair so that my curls can come back to life. You don't want it to be dripping wet, but a nice damp canvas will ensure that you can saturate the #3 properly. So there we have it. I probably used about 1/4 of the bottle. I am going to fully saturate the #3 all over so that I can begin the repairing process. What it does is relink those broken bonds in your hair, relinks them back together again. So those bonds are broken when you chemically treat your hair, when you style your hair thermally, such as heating tools like a curling iron or a flat iron or a blow dryer, mechanical damage such as using a brush, or environmental damage. Those all affect the integrity of your hair. So by using OLAPLEX #3 Hair Perfector, you can relink those bonds together and create healthy hair. My hair feels so bouncy, healthy, soft, strong. My curls are completely defined, which is just the opposite of how I began. OLAPLEX #3 Hair Perfector. I hope you guys try this. I mean, the results really speak for themselves. And if you have and practice healthy hair care maintenance by using OLAPLEX at least once a week, you're definitely gonna see them.